Okay, so just like lines and other objects that can be graphed on a coordinate plane, a circle can as well, and then therefore we need an equation with x and y that allows us to get the actual circle. So what I have here is I have the diagram of a circle. You'll notice that I didn't put any numbers on my scales. I did that on purpose because I'm going to work in very general terms to find the equation of the circle. So we need to start by labeling some stuff. I'm going to label the center of the circle as HK. And what that means is that the x coordinate is H and the y coordinate is K. I'm going to label my radius as R, and I'm going to label this random point on the circle as XY. It's just any point that's on the circle, which means its x coordinate is X and its y coordinate is Y. What I can do here is I can actually form a right triangle between the center and the point on the circle. And when I do that, the horizontal leg of the right triangle, its length is x minus h. So like if this was 10 and this was 7, we would do 10 minus 7 to find out that this was 3. So that means that this length, this horizontal leg of this right triangle, its length is x minus h. And then the same is true for the y. The y is going to be of length y minus k. And so if I were to plug into Pythagorean theorem, what I would actually get, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, means that I could actually write out the general form, the center radius form, and I would get x minus h squared, that's my a squared, plus y minus k squared, that's my b squared, and my c squared is the radius. And that is because of Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And this is the center radius form, the center radius form of a circle. So what we have here is the center. I'm going to recopy that. So I have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where my center is hk and my radius is r. That's it. So how do we use that? Well, if I wanted to write the equation in center radius form of a circle who is 2, -7 and whose radius is 4, the x and the y stay static and everything else gets plugged in. So what does this look like? This would be x minus, well, what's the x coordinate of my center is 2. So x minus 2 squared plus the y coordinate is -7. So when I plug that in, I get y minus -7. Well, minus -7 is plus 7. And then my radius is 4, so my radius squared would be 16. So this would generate the equation of a circle whose center is at 2, -7, and whose radius is 4. In the second half of this lesson, we're going to look at another form that you need to know, which is called the general form.